This is price chart of Ethereum cryptocurrency, and we are going to understand, does Ethereum has symmetry in price chart like other cryptocurrencies? Does it has a cycle like Bitcoin and Bitcoin halving cycle which happens every 4 years? If yes, then what is the time period of cycle for this cryptocurrency, that is Ethereum cryptocurrency? This is Cryptosarthi to reduce risk. Now let's first go to see any pattern is visible over here in this price over here. So in regular price there is very few symmetrical patterns which you can see. So what we will do, we'll change this scale to logarithmic scale. Here we go to the logarithmic scale and then reset it, and here we are unable to see any pattern right now. We'll increase the time period for each candle to 1 month, and now here as you can see there is something which is very interestingly we can see it, and that is a pattern which is similar like logarithmic behavior. So now we have understanding that it is converging towards some point and converging towards some value. It's behaving similar to like Bitcoin and Bitcoin logarithmic price chart, and after each 4 years the Bitcoin halving happens and then price moves up. In this chart also we can see some of the symmetrical point. Number first, from here to this point it goes up, then goes down, goes up, goes down, and then relatively less moving, and then after that next thing will happen. So we'll change the color, and here you can see once again it goes up, moving down, going up, moving down, and then once again it starts something. So to understand whether it has some symmetrical pattern, what we'll do, we'll just go to the setting of this and hide the chart. Now as you can see clearly here, the first blue curve, this one and this one has some symmetrical response. First it increases and then damped down, and then increases then damped down, and similarly it is repeating after certain period of time. Now let's view the charts once again. Now so far we understood that this cryptocurrency has some pattern in it which is repeating after certain period of time. Let's figure it out the time period, how much time it is taking. So for that what we'll do, we'll just zoom out over here, zoom in over here, and this is our point from where the bull run started. So what we'll do, we'll just place the horizontal line over here, and this is our first horizontal line. Then reset the view, and then once again somewhere here in this zone next cycle bull run started. So we'll zoom in over here and this zone over somewhere here. So somewhere here the bull run started, and I think it started from this point and this point. So this is the same pattern over here. So we'll start from this point, this is our starting point, and from here bull run start. So we'll place another horizontal line over here. Okay, then reset. So now we have two lines, and another one is over here somewhere here it started. So we'll zoom in over here also. So in this zone over here, zoom in. Now as you can see it's already started somewhere here. So we'll place one more horizontal line over here. So these all horizontal lines are placed, and then we reset. To understand the time period, what we need to do, we need to go to these patterns over here. In this pattern we can click cyclic lines so that we'll understand the time period. So cyclic line we click, and from here this point, and our next cycle was almost somewhere here. So we'll go this point. I think we need to little bit zoom in so that betterly we can place it. Alright, so we place it, and now as you can see clearly here, we have first cycle over here, then second cycle over here. Now third cycle started. It's already started and 4 months has been passed. Let's see how much time it will take to start one cycle. So how much time, so we'll start from here and then go to this point, and this is the time period. So 1216 days, so 1216 days it will take to complete a cycle, which is approximately 3.3 years. So each and every 3.3 years one cycle start for Ethereum cryptocurrency. So now we have few important points, that Ethereum cryptocurrency also follow some repetition of patterns. We can see here first and second. It has a cycle of 1 to 1/6 days, that is almost 3.3 years. And also we are in the bull run cycle right now. To understand how much it will go in next bull run which is going on, we'll create another video. You can watch that video in details. This is the time to invest in this cryptocurrency, rather than going for short period of time. At least 500 days you invest. Okay, so this is Crypto Sarthi to reduce risk. Thanks for watching.